born again. New life. Check it. I am born. I am born. I am born. I am born. Watch me tell them I am born again, born again. Me no mean mommy give me birth over. Found what I'm looking for, search over. Never drop dead like me turn a earth over. I am born again, born again. Me no mean mommy give me birth over. Any rhythm want me I go put a verse over. You must see about the Lord when the verse.
So as my primer, I'm going to be taking Philip's Milk of Magnesia, and my foundation is L'Oreal True Match in N9. Now that white that you're seeing is actually the Philip's Milk of Magnesia drying underneath it. I'm wearing Magic Shade Facial Serum. It's a staple for me. I have to have a Magic Shade facial serum before anything at all. So I'm just putting this all over my face. Next I'm going in with Toast. That is the Black Opal Flawless Concealer. And I'm going in with Black Walnut. So that's the Flawless Concealer all over. And that's Black Walnut. That's the darker areas. So I'm using this to highlight and also to low light. And I'm blending them out. That's out. I'm blending them out with my Beauty Blender Nude. So I'm taking banana powder to set Toast, and I'm taking the Black Opal the Black Opal foundation, the pressed powder. That's going all over my face. So I'm putting that where I did not put the Ben. And I'll be baking with Sacha ButterCup. So it's just my regular routine, guys. That's why I sped through this so quickly. It's just my regular routine. So now I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. And I'm going to be placing this color all over my lid. And I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics brush. You guys know how I feel about this brush. About this bristle. It is just the bee right now. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just like, oh my god, are you bae? And the brush is like, yes. I'm like, okay, you are bae. So so I was applying this all over my lid, not my lid, all over in my crease. So taking the same brush, I'm going in with this burgundy color, and this is also going all over my crease. Now the reason I went in with that brown color is just to add a little bit of depth, and the burgundy, that's going to add the color to my crease. So the brown before was for the depth, and the burgundy now is to add color. So next I'll be going in with my Naked 3 palette, and I'll be going in with Dust. So I'll be using my e.l.f. brush, and I'll be spraying it with my e.l.f. Mist and Set as well. And the Mist and Set is just going to help Dust to come out a bit more pigmented, a little bit, we call it stronger. So I'm going to be putting this on my lid, the first part of my lid, because I'll be adding 2 additional colors. So then the next color that I'll be taking is called Buzz, and again I'll be wetting this, or damping this rather, with my e.l.f. Mist and Set. Because no, I'm not damping it, sorry, the brush is already damp. So I'm just going over right beside, what color I used before? Yeah, right beside Dust. Now again, notice how I'm blending. I am overlapping the colors. That's what helps me to get a nice, smooth, almost effortless blend. Yay! I'm wetting the brush, getting the brush wet. I knew I was going to do this. I know myself. So I'm getting the brush wet again. And I'm going to be putting Dust again on my eyes. But this time it will come out a little bit pigmented. A little bit more pigmented. Next, I'll be going in with Dark Horse, and that's the darkest color in the palette. It's like a burgundy, blacky color with like little gold reflexes in it. And as usual, I'll be overlapping the color that I placed before it. So that is how I get my blend, and that's just if you watch most of my videos, that's my technique. How I blend or get colors to fuse together is just by overlapping them. So next I'm going in with this pink because the eyes just looked a little bit too dark to me. I have dark in the crease, dark on the outer edge. It just felt a little bit too dark. So I'm going to take that pink and I'm going to put it in my little area there where I love to apply eyeshadow. And the truth is, looking on camera, it really did not make a difference. But in person, it was very subtle and it just kind of lightened up that area a little bit. But on camera, it's not coming off as much. I'd have probably had to done more on camera. Then I'm going in with this white color using my Angle Fluffy brush from my Pomade Paradise set. And this is going to be going on my brow bone. Now, I love this as a brow bone highlight for darker skin women. It is so good. So, I want to say natural, but it's nice. I love it. This is the brow bone color I always use from this palette. Alright, so next I'm taking this brown, and this will be focused on my outside, on my outer V area, because I wanted to add some some more depth. I know I just said I put the pink to remove some of the depth, but that's on the inside. I love when my depth is on the outside. Now I'm just lining my waterline with my Anco black pencil. Then I'll be taking Black Opal's blush in Nectar. It's like a rosy blush. And that's what I'll be applying for my blush. And for my glow, I'll be taking Fiji by It's Your Face Cosmetics. And it's their baked bronzing powder. That's what I'll be taking for my glow. Next, I'll be taking Elf's matte lip color, sorry, in Hot Commodity. And over that, I'll be going in with Pink Princess Cosmetics Faith lipstick. And over that again, I'm going to be going in with LA Colors Pucker Up. And this Pucker Up is like it's a gloss, but it's like an iridescent gloss. And guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for following me through this series. We're almost done. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to click in the description bar below for the playlist. Bye guys.
From you have life, you have everything. Tell them say I over the answer. Life, you have everything. That a summer for you get up and dance for. Christ, you have everything. Tell them say the Lord are the answer. Christ, yes, you have everything. That a summer for you.